Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to install Microsoft Visual Studio. It's a very versatile IDE developed by Microsoft and can be used for multiple applications like development of a website, web service, mobile applications, computer programs and whatnot. It's very easy to download. For that, let's go to your favorite browser. I'm using Google. Just search for Visual Studio download page. As you can see, it has taken me to visualstudio.microsoft.com. Click here. It has three versions: community version, which is free, professional enterprise versions, both are paid. Professional is best suited for small teams, where enterprise is for larger teams, which needs more scalable solutions. So for this video, we are going to install community version. It's a very small exe file, so shouldn't take long. So once it's done, just double click on your exe file and it will start downloading it through the cloud. Click on continue. Now, there are multiple workloads. We can select whichever we'll need. Each workload, once you add it, it's going to take more space on your PC. So for example, if I'm going to include Python right now, you can see total space required is just 679 MB. Once we start clicking on more workloads, the space will keep increasing. So for this video, we are going to include Python and say data storage and processing, which will allow us to work with SQL Server, Azure Data Lake, or Hadoop, right? If you want, you can include a couple of others, but then it's going to take little more on the space side. So with that, let's click on install. Please note that these workloads can be added later also. So as you can see, it is almost like 2 GB, so it's going to take some time. So now as you can see, there are total 359 packages which are supposed to be installed. It's going to take a couple of more minutes, so let's give it some more time. So after all the packages are successfully installed, you can see it will request for a restart. So let me restart the PC and then I'll meet you at the other side of the video. So now after we have started our PC, let's check if Visual Studio is successfully installed and can we use it. Let's open it. And this is how it looks like. Pretty beautiful, no? So now as you can see, it offers a couple of cool themes. I'll pick dark. Given it's the first use, it's going to take some time. So this is the home screen. And now we will see how to create an SSIS project in our next video. Thank you so much.